In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails to your list in Kit. We're going to walk through this in 3 parts. First, creating the actual emails your subscribers will receive, then setting up what triggers those emails, and finally, connecting everything so it runs automatically in the background. Let's start by creating your email content. In your Kit account, head over to the Send section, then click on Sequences. This is where you'll build a series of emails that go out over time. Click the button to create a new sequence, give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, and then confirm to create it. You'll be taken into the sequence editor where you can write your first email. Take your time here. Write a subject line that's clear and compelling, and make sure the body of your email delivers on what that subject promises. On the right-hand side, you'll see the When to Send options. This is where you control the delay for that email. For example, you might set it to send 1 day after the previous step, or 0 days if you want it to go out immediately as soon as someone enters the sequence. Adjust this to match the experience you want your subscribers to have. Once your first email is ready, you can add more emails to the sequence by clicking the plus icon in the sequence sidebar. For each additional email, write your content, then set an appropriate delay so your messages are spaced out in a way that feels natural, not overwhelming. One important detail here, every email in the sequence starts in draft mode. Before anything can send, you must switch the status of each email from draft to published. Go through each email in your sequence and confirm that it's published. Otherwise, your automation will run, but those messages won't actually be delivered. Next, let's set the trigger that decides when people enter this sequence. Go to the Automate section, then click on Visual Automations. Create a new automation and choose to start from scratch. You'll be prompted to select an entry point. This is the event that tells Kit, add this person into the workflow. Common options include when someone joins a form, is added to a tag, or purchases a product. Choose the type that fits your funnel, then select the specific form or tag from the drop-down list so Kit knows exactly which action to watch for. Finally, it's time to connect your trigger to your email sequence. In the Visual Automation Editor, find the entry point you just created and click the plus icon directly below it. From the options, choose Action, then Email Sequence. You'll be asked to pick which sequence to use, so select the one you created earlier. Once that's in place, look to the top right of the Automation Builder and toggle the switch to Active. This turns the entire workflow on. At this point, your system is live. Whenever someone hits that entry point, they'll automatically start receiving the published emails in your sequence according to the delays you've set.